Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can hide albums in Samsung Galaxy phone's gallery. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to do is opening our gallery application on our Samsung Galaxy phone. And after we have our gallery application opened, we can click on these three dots. Okay, and here we have four options, and since we want to hide albums, we can click on hide albums. Alright, and select the album that you want to hide in your gallery. And for instance, I'm going to hide this pictures album. So we can click on this toggle button to hide it. And I'm going to check it in my gallery. So as you can see that there's no pictures album in my gallery. And if we want to unhide it, we just need to click on these three dots again. Then click on hide albums, and we can click on the album that we want to unhide. So just click on the circle button, and I'm going to check it. Okay, this is the pictures album that I have just unhidden in my gallery. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide albums in Android phone's gallery, especially on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.